Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the next part, that is how to open the MS Word blank document. The practical step given on page number 22. Third chapter we are going to start, that is Microsoft Word. Page number 22. How do you open blank documents? Okay. First, you have to click on Start button. Then go in All Apps. Click on all application and then you can see this Microsoft Word 2010 version. Okay, so you have to just click on Microsoft Word document and here you will get the blank document of Microsoft Word. After opening this document, different layouts are available by default. You can select any layout as per your wish. Here you can see a blank document is open. And if you want to change the layout of form for this blank document, sorry. So you can directly select file. It is showing a processing. So we have to go one by one. Here you can change the, just click on new and here you can change out the layout also. Okay. If for example, I want a blank document, then I will click just blank document and here it will open a blank document. Just click on create. Blank document is created. Now, if you want to change this layout of document, again click on the new. If you want some agendas, certificates, you want to type vouchers. If you want to type a vouchers, if you want to type a budget, if you want to make some business cards, if you want to make planning through the calendars, if you want to create contracts, if you want to type regarding the diagrams or envelopes, etc., inventories, animation, etc., as per your requirement. So as per your requirement, you have to select these forms or this blank document. Okay. For example, we have selected list blank document. So it will create all the listed. It will create all the list automatically. So again, we will select new document. We'll select one business card. Okay, so it wants some online support. So we have to connect to office.com. So for example, if you type a layout, let's check out an office document. Some internet issue is there. So we just open one of the basic templates. That offline we have available. Okay, so these are offline available templates. You can select any one. For example, I will select for resume. or you can select for later also. If you have some online support, you can download the layout from onlineoffice.com www.office.com. You can use this website to download that online layouts also. Okay, so here we are downloading a blank documents or different layout from offline support. Okay, so these are the way to start the blank documents. Okay, again there is second method to start the blank document or to change the layouts. Let's see the second method. Let's check out the second method. You just have to type a Microsoft Office here. Microsoft, and you can see I have just typed a Microsoft. And you can see all the Microsoft application will be open here. So this is the second method to open a blank document. Just type in search box, you have to just type Microsoft like this, or use some arrow keys. Okay, for the automation of typing, you can use an arrow key also, like this. Yeah, I have just typed a Microsoft. And you can see all the Microsoft related application will be open here. So if you want to open Access blank document, click on Access. If you want to click on Excel blank document, just click on Excel. So here we want a Word. So we will just click on Word or click on Open command. So this is the second method to open the blank document. Okay. So here we are opening a blank document of My Picture application. Okay, you can see we have created a new blank document. We have created blank documents and we have inserted some pictures in my Picture Office applications. Okay, so this is a second method to start the Microsoft application or blank documents. So thank you very much.